Hello students, in today's video lecture we are going to study hydroelectric power plant. Before starting the video, I have a small request for you to subscribe the channel and like the video. Share with your friends because you are going to get these type of videos continuously on this channel. And we have already uploaded many more videos on this channel, so you can go and watch them also. So let's start our topic hydroelectric power plant. First of all, what is hydroelectric power plant? Hydroelectric power plant system. In hydroelectric power plant, potential energy of water is utilized to rotate the turbine. When water strikes on turbine blades through an appreciable height, then blades rotate and generator attached with turbine runs to produce electricity. Water is a naturally available renewable energy source and can be stored in large amount by making dam. In India, first hydroelectric power plant was started in 1897 near Darjeeling. However, Shivasamudram project 19 1902 in Mysore with capacity of 4.5 megawatt was first major hydroelectric power plant. After independence, various multi-purpose projects like Bakra Nangal project, Hirakund project, Rihand project, Damodar Valley Corporation, etc. are running successfully. About 20% of world's power need is fulfilled by hydroelectric power plant. Advantage of hydroelectric power plant. First of all, water is available in abundance, no fuel is required. Second, running cost of hydroelectric power plant is very low. Third, it does not produce any harmful gas, so there is no need of disposal of burnt gases and ash. Next, hydraulic turbine can be started and stopped very shortly. Simple and economical operation. System reliability is very high than other power plants. Modern hydroelectric power plant has higher operating life, around 50 years. For variable range of hydroelectric power plant has higher efficiency. Hydroelectric power plant also provides auxiliary benefits such as irrigation, flood control, afforestation, aquaculture, etc. No skilled workers are required for operation. Requirement of manpower is also low. Next, disadvantages of hydroelectric power plant. First of all, initial installation cost is very high. The construction period is quite large, approx 10 to 15 years. Generation of power is directly dependent on availability of water, which may vary season to season. Large catchment area is needed to store the water. Generally, these power plants are far away from the load center, thus transmission cost increase and also transmission loss increases. It also disturbs the ecology of the area. Uprooting people has a big problem. Next है site selection of hydroelectric power plant. So first of all availability of water. The power generated by hydroelectric power plant is dependent on availability of water at site. Design and capacity of hydroelectric power plant is determined by the water available in dam. It also provides a brief idea for spillage or gate relief during flood. Next, capacity. Variation in rainfall all the year makes it necessary to store a large amount of water for continuous power generation. Water storage capacity of hydroelectric power plant can be determined by using mass curves. Water head. A large quantity of water with sufficient load is required for generation of desired quantity of water for a given power output. If available water had increased, then supply of water to the turbine reduced. Transportation facility. The site should have well transportation facility so that man and materials can easily come and go. In absence of transportation facility, it becomes hard to reach at site. Distance from the load center. Site is constructed near to the load center so that transmission cost and losses can be minimized. Land type of site. Land of site should be cheap and rocky. The catchment area of dam should be large so that large amount of water can be stored. The foundation of the dam should be strong enough to withstand and stresses and thrust of water. Main parts of hydroelectric power plant. First of all, catchment area. An area of land which collects water from different sources such as rain runoff, snow melt, nearby stream, etc. is called catchment area. Size, shape, altitude, geology, etc. are some characteristics of catchment area. The greater the catchment area, greater is the total runoff water. Reservoir. This is the area behind the dam where a large amount of water is stored. The height of water stored in reservoir decides how much potential energy the water possesses. The higher of the height of water, the more its potential energy. Dam. The dam is the most important part of any hydroelectric power plant. It is built to develop a reservoir of required capacity of stored water. It should be built at a location where the height of the river is sufficient to obtain the maximum possible potential energy from water. Spillway. The main function of spillway is to safeguard the dam in case of water rise. It also provides stability to the dam during flood without rising the reservoir level. Conduct या penstock. Different pipelines or channels are used in dam. A penstock is the long pipe that carries the flowing water from reservoir to turbine. Head race of dam leads water from reservoir to turbine and tail race carries out the water from turbine. Surge tank. Surge tank is a small reservoir that is used to reduce the water hammering effect. If turbine is located at a short distance, then there is no need of surge tank. Surge tank become very necessary when pressure increase and decrease as per the load on the generator and protects them from sudden damage. Draft tube. A draft tube has diverging outlet. It allows the turbine to be set above the tail race so that inspection and maintenance could be easily. Draft tubes are of different types like conical or an elbow tube. Use an elbow type draft tube is common and economical. Powerhouse. Powerhouse should have sufficient space for machinery and for the purpose of dismantling and repairing. It includes turbine, generator, governor, air duct, batteries, pumps, etc. It should have stable structure to support the various equipments. Next, hydroelectric power plant working. First of all, the runoff water stored in reservoir, and this water comes through the penstock, and this water strikes the turbine and turbine rotates. The turbine shaft connected with generator, and generator produces electricity. This electricity transmits to transformer, and it is connected with grid, and then it is supplied to load center. Before leaving, let me remind you once again that you should subscribe to the channel and like the video, share with your friends